Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Mac meets requirements and you have an Xbox account. Open the App Store and install the Xbox app, or plan to use Xbox Cloud Gaming in a supported browser. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account and enable two-factor authentication so connections stay secure. Make sure your controller is ready. You'll pair it next. This step ensures the software bridge and account permissions are resolved before you move to pairing and streaming. Now pair your controller to the Mac. Hold the controller's pairing button and use Bluetooth settings, or plug in a USB-C cable for instant connection. Next, optimize your network by switching to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet and quitting heavy apps to reduce lag. Then open the Xbox app. Pick console streaming if you own an Xbox and it's on, or choose cloud gaming to stream from Microsoft servers. This sequence minimizes input delay and routes audio, and controls correctly so gameplay feels responsive. Finally, launch your game and confirm controller and audio work. Tweak streaming resolution and controller mappings in the Xbox app for comfort. If you encounter stutter or disconnects, try a wired connection, restart your router, or reduce streaming quality to stabilize bandwidth. Make sure Mac OS, the Xbox app, and the controller firmware are up to date. Updates often fix compatibility issues. If problems persist, reboot both Mac and console, then repair the controller. This resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.